before we get to your full forecast with Ryan, we got this video from Steve today. He sent this video of Shaw Park. It was a gorgeous day, and you can still see some foliage there, kind of reflecting in the pond there. Thanks so much, Steve. And remember, you can always share your photos and videos with us using the Near Me section of our New Center Maine mobile app. Look at the sky.
Still some left, but some leaf drop, it looks like, too.
Yeah, and you know what's so funny? Outside of our house, our tree, my kid was noticing this. Our tree has yellow leaves. They've all fallen to the ground. Right across the street, somebody's got beautiful red leaves, and both trees are still full.
Yeah, and I was on a walk in the woods a couple of days ago, and in the deeper forest, there's still some pretty good color in coastal Maine.
Oh, cool.
You know, it's more like the trees that are exposed, some of them are.
All getting blown around.
Exactly. We've got a pretty good weekend. I want to start actually with the base of Sugarloaf, and at 11:16 at night, you might ask, why am I doing that? Well, it's 43 degrees at the base. There's been some rain there, but up in higher elevations, above about 2,000 feet, there have been some snowflakes mixing in with some of the rain showers coming through tonight. You can actually see that on the radar. You can almost pick out where the peaks of the mountains are. Saddleback, Sugarloaf at the top, reporting a little bit of snow as these came through a short time ago. Now we just have some rain showers, which are very slowly moving through central Maine. So the ground getting a little bit more than damp in spots around the Belgrade Lakes, and this is moving toward Waterville and Pittsfield in about the next 15 or 20 minutes. Temperatures are on the chilly side. So it's a chilly rain where we've had it out there this evening, mid-40s, 34 right now in Berlin and 36 degrees in Freiburg. We're going to be under the influence of this big storm system way to our north this weekend, but the flow around it sends down chilly air from Canada, and this disturbance Sunday will mean more clouds and maybe a shower or sprinkle on Sunday too. So tomorrow morning, a few showers over down East Maine, but those get out of here, and then it's a mix of clouds and sunshine tomorrow. It's a little bit cooler than today, but it should be dry much of the day. 52 in Portland, 50 in Bangor, 40s in the mountains and far north through the day tomorrow. Tomorrow night, the weather's quiet. It's rather cloudy and on the chilly side, with temperatures Sunday morning, upper 30s to around 40. And Sunday is notably cloudier. There may be a little sun from time to time, but I think that the best chance for that is in southern Maine. Much of the rest of the state, we're looking at clouds. And yes, sprinkles, mountain flurries, maybe a brief shower, but certainly a chillier feel on Sunday with high temperatures in the upper 40s to around 50. So you'll notice the chill in the air on Sunday. That's as the jet stream digs right over us, and there will be a storm brewing on the edge of this jet stream early next week. Question is, how far north does it come? Does it bring us some rain Wednesday, Thursday, or Friday? Still very uncertain at this point. And part of that is Tropical Storm Melissa down here is going to just be very slowly meandering through the tropics. Likely to be a major hurricane in Jamaica and cause big, big problems there. Where Melissa goes will impact where that coastal storm goes. So hopefully we get a little bit more certainty tomorrow, and certainly by Sunday, I think, on that late week forecast. Seas tomorrow 2 to 3 feet with a west wind 5 to 10 knots on the water. So it's a cooler weekend. Probably the pick of the weekend is tomorrow. A mix of sun and clouds. It's cloudier on Sunday with a chance for a sprinkle and maybe even some mountain flurries. Dry but rather cloudy Monday and Tuesday, and then we have to watch that coastal storm for the end of next week. Hopefully we can get some rain, but hopefully we can get it out of here in time for trick-or-treating on Halloween. There are just a lot of moving pieces in this weather pattern. That's why it's a low confidence forecast at this point.
And a couple more days to figure it out. All right, thanks, Ryan.
You're welcome.